Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Now, I know I've been making game videos, but I might as well make a video on lawn equipment again like I used to do. And I'm going to show you guys how to clean one of these filters. You know, generally on lawnmowers, you'll see like a fucking primer bulb or something under there. Well, I'm going to be showing you what I actually have. I'm going to take this impact driver. I'm going to take it off. Set that to the side. And you're going to see one of these. I'm going to take it over to this table. It's going to look like this. And you turn it over. It's one of those. Now, I'm going to be... Look, you guys can see... When I set it down on the table. Some crap right here. You see, it's a little nasty. You can see all kinds of crap in there. This thing's kind of hard. This is actually a paper filter. This is paper. This blue right here. I had to spit right there. Some crap in my mouth. I must have flew in there or something. You guys can see all that crud in there. Look at that. It's disgusting. Look at that. See this crap? Now, generally you couldn't put like card spray or brick cleaner spray or like any of that shit. Damn mosquitoes! There's mosquitoes out here. Fill them on my arm. You can't generally put any of that crap on there because it will like destroy the material. Pardon me. I just had some tea. But anyways, I've seen these with fucking oil submerged in them. But there is a way to clean these. It's by actually taking a filter with this side down and you just whack it against a table or something hard. Just whack it. I know, I swear, this is not a joke. You guys can see it's already whacking some of that crap off and the paper is just fine. Now this mower does work. It works pretty good. I did have trouble with it a while back. I had to replace the plug on that bitch over there. You guys can see it's a little bit more cleaner. Now, for all the excess dirt, I mean, I wouldn't say it's super bad. I mean, it still has ways to get crap through it. You guys can see on this side. You can see on this side right here with the metal dill around it right here. This whole metal thing. You can see through this side that there's no cloggages at the bottom. So it's ready to be put back on. So I'm going to go on ahead and put that back on here. Make sure it's in good. Put that back on the mower. So Briggs & Stratton, check that out. Yeah, it's one of the older Briggs & Stratton models. Put that back on. It's hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Once that's back on, and it should be on good. It's a little fucking hard to see. There's a lot of fucking bugs and crap dust out here from turning it on. But that's basically how you clean one of those filters. Thanks guys for watching, and subscribe for more videos. And I will be making more of these soon. I should be getting a riding mower soon. I'm going to try to work on that. I don't know if I'll remember to make a video, but if I do, I'll be most likely talking about the thing and showing it off. I don't generally make long videos on how to fix stuff, cause like I don't actually have a camera and a setup thing like that. I still record with the phone, but I use an iPhone, so it's high quality and I can make longer videos. But that being said, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.